So the Epigem serum was designed from the ground up, basically. It was to forget everything that was on the market just now and really go back into the science and look what would the key ingredients be if you want a positive outcome in somebody's complexion, to remove fine lines and just make them look healthier in general. So we're looking at key ingredients such as French lilac. Now, French lilac's been known for hundreds of years to have anti-aging properties, and so we took that and we put it into the serum. And what it actually does in the serum is it increases blood flow to your cells. It reduces certain redness in your cells. Another key ingredient we have in there is actually curcumin. Now, curcumin is again known for hundreds of years to have beneficial properties. But we've put curcumin there both to reduce the redness again in the cells in your skin, increase the health, increase mitochondrial function, and it's also got a really potent antimicrobial function. So we're looking, what's the future of aging? Where do we see it go as our research team? Well, it's going to be transformative in the next few years. We now all understand that it's a treatable condition. Aging is a treatable disease, and if we can treat it early enough, we will transform people's lives.